The heart of the matter: how afternoon naps can help prevent stroke and heart attack in our fast-paced world. The importance of sleep is often overlooked, particularly when it comes to the benefits of napping. Recent research has shed light on the potential cardiovascular benefits of taking afternoon naps, suggesting that they may play a significant role in reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This exploration delves into the science behind napping, its effects on cardiovascular health, and the implications for our daily routines. The science of napping, particularly in the afternoon, has been a common practice in various cultures around the world. Traditionally associated with relaxation and rejuvenation, napping is now being recognized for its potential health benefits. Studies have shown that short naps can improve mood, enhance cognitive function, and even boost physical performance. However, the most compelling evidence emerging from recent research is the link between napping and cardiovascular health. A study highlighted in the Daily Mail reported that individuals who take afternoon naps twice a week may lower their risk of heart attacks significantly. This finding aligns with a larger cohort study conducted in Greece, which found that regular nappers had a 37% lower risk of death from coronary heart disease compared to those who did not nap at all. These findings suggest that napping may serve as a protective factor against serious cardiovascular events. Mechanisms behind the benefits: understanding how napping can influence cardiovascular health involves examining several physiological and psychological mechanisms. Stress reduction: one of the primary benefits of napping is its ability to reduce stress. Chronic stress is a well-known risk factor for heart disease, as it can lead to elevated blood pressure and increased levels of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress. By taking a nap, individuals can lower their stress levels, which may help mitigate these harmful effects on the heart. Improved sleep quality: napping can also compensate for inadequate nighttime sleep. Sleep deprivation has been linked to various cardiovascular issues, including hypertension and increased heart rate. A short nap can help restore some of the lost sleep, leading to better overall sleep quality and, consequently, better heart health. Enhance mood and cognitive function: napping has been shown to improve mood and cognitive function, which can indirectly benefit cardiovascular health. A positive mood can lead to healthier lifestyle choices, such as increased physical activity and better dietary habits, both of which are crucial for maintaining heart health. Inflammation reduction: some studies suggest that napping may help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to cardiovascular diseases, and by lowering inflammation levels, napping could potentially reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The optimal nap duration and frequency: while the benefits of napping are clear, the optimal duration and frequency of naps are essential to consider. Research indicates that short naps, typically lasting between 20 to 30 minutes, are most effective. These brief naps can enhance alertness and cognitive performance without leading to sleep inertia, the grogginess that can occur after longer sleep periods. Interestingly, a study published in Science Daily found that napping once or twice a week was associated with a lower risk of heart attack and stroke. However, the same study noted that more frequent or longer naps did not show the same protective effects. This suggests that moderation is key. While napping can be beneficial, excessive napping may not yield additional cardiovascular benefits and could potentially indicate underlying health issues. Cultural perspectives on napping: the practice of napping is not new. It has been a staple in many cultures, particularly in Mediterranean countries where the siesta is a common tradition. In these cultures, the afternoon nap is integrated into daily life, allowing individuals to recharge and reduce stress. This cultural acceptance of napping may contribute to the lower rates of cardiovascular diseases observed in these populations. In contrast, in many Western cultures, napping is often stigmatized as a sign of laziness or lack of productivity. However, as research continues to unveil the health benefits of napping, there is a growing movement to reframe this perspective. Encouraging a cultural shift towards valuing rest and recovery could have significant implications for public health, particularly in reducing the burden of cardiovascular diseases. Practical implications for daily life. Given the evidence supporting the cardiovascular benefits of napping, individuals can take proactive steps to incorporate napping into their daily routines. Here are some practical tips. Schedule naps. Aim to take a nap during the early afternoon when energy levels typically dip. This timing aligns with the body's natural circadian rhythms and can enhance the restorative effects of napping. Keep it short. Limit naps to 20-30 minutes to avoid sleep inertia and maximize the benefits of increased alertness and mood enhancement. Create a restful environment. Find a quiet, comfortable space to nap. Reducing light and noise can help facilitate a more restful experience. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you feel fatigued or stressed, a nap may be just what you need to recharge. Combine with healthy habits. Napping should complement a healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and adequate nighttime sleep. Conclusion: the emerging research on the cardiovascular benefits of afternoon napping presents a compelling case for integrating this practice into our daily lives. With evidence suggesting that napping can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes, it is essential to recognize the importance of rest as a vital component of overall health. As we continue to navigate the demands of modern life, prioritizing rest and recovery through napping may not only enhance our daily productivity but also protect our heart health. By embracing the practice of napping, we can foster a culture that values well-being and acknowledges the profound connection between our emotional and physical health. In doing so, we may take significant strides toward reducing the prevalence of cardiovascular diseases and improving the quality of life for many individuals.